Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Jai Hind. Today we are going to discuss about different ways to join Indian Army. I'm going to explain it in one shot and I'm going to explain you all the ways. Okay guys, so let's begin. So guys, there are 10 ways you can join Indian Army. National Defense Academy 10 plus 2 Tech. Tech means technology, technical ground, and Indian Military Academy. Short Service Commission non-tech. Short Service Commission tech, both men and women. NCC Special Men and Women, TGC Technical Ground Commission, Technical Graduate Course, that is TGC Technical Graduate Course, Education, and even your JAG Officers Training Academy OTA, TGC also, that is Education and AEC. So guys, let's begin. We are going to discuss it today. So National Defense Academy. What is the eligibility of National Defense Academy, age limit and qualifications? National Defense Academy, the eligibility is that you should not be married and you should pass class 12, or you would be, if you are appearing for class 12 also, you can appear for this exam that is conducted through UPSC. The age limit is, the minimum age limit is 15.7 or 16, and the maximum is 18.7 or 19. And the qualification, as I have mentioned above, you should be 12 plus, or you are appearing 12. You can also apply for this examination. So here's your NDA. Here's all about NDA, National Defense Academy. Let's move on. Next, we have 10 plus 2 tech. The eligibility of 10 plus 2 tech is that you should not, you should not marry. Okay. During your training period, you are not allowed to marry. That is, the criteria is you should be unmarried, and the age limit is 16.5 to 19.5, and the qualification is 10 plus 2. Okay guys, let's begin our next topic. Indian Military Academy. Indian Military Academy, the eligibility is same as that of NDA, National Defense Academy. You should be unmarried, and the age limit is 19 to 24, and the qualification is bachelor degree from recognized university with PCM. PCM means physics, chemistry, maths. Okay, guys, let's move on to our Officers Training Academy, OTA. OTA eligibility is that both men and women can join, but they should be unmarried, and the age limit is 19 to 25, both for non-technical and technical. And guys, the qualification for non-technical women is bachelor degree, and even technical is bachelor degree too. Okay guys, from a recognized university. And for technical, obviously it's engineering degree, and for not non-technical, you guys should have a bachelor degree. And guys, married, next, let's move on to next, short service commission. The short service commission non-tech, the eligibility is both married. They accept application from both married and unmarried, and the age limit is 20 to 27. And the qualification is graduate from a recognized university. And let's move on to next, short service commission tech for men and women. Men and women, the eligibility is that both married and unmarried can apply for this, and even for widows whose husband are from defense background and they lost their life sadly. And guys, the age limit for this is 20 to 27, and for widows the maximum age should be or can be 35 years, and the qualification should be BE BTech for SSC, that is short service commissioned tech. Let's move on. We have NCC special entry scheme for both men and women. The eligibility for this is that they should hold a C certificate And guys, the work they should be working of minimum. They should have a working of minimum 2 to 3 years in senior division and NCC. And the age limit should be 19, should be in between 19 to 25 years, and they should have a degree of at least with at least 50% percentage in total. And those who are appearing in the final year, they can also be counted in this special scheme. Okay guys, let's move on. Now technical graduate course, TGC, or even ASC, we are going to discuss about ASC also. So TGC, the eligibility for TGC is both married and unmarried can apply for it, and the age limit for TGC is 20 to 27, and that of AEC, the eligibility is same. That is, both they should be married or unmarried. The application is applied. Okay, guys, they can apply even if they are married or they're not married or unmarried. Okay, guys. Now their age should be in between 23 to 27, and for TGC, the qualification should be engineering degree or even final year appearing engineering degree. And for AEC, the qualification is Masters, MA or MSc. Okay, guys, let's move on. We have Judge Advocate General, JAG, both men and women. Both men and women. The criteria, eligibility criteria is unmarried. They should be unmarried, and age should be between 21 to 27. And the qualification is Bachelor in Laws with 55% in LLB degree. Okay, guys. So that's all the 10 ways with which you can join Indian Army. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. And if you like, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more defense updates like this. Thank you, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.